This is Matt, and this is a video on how to join LinkedIn Premium. So I am right here on my Matt Crawford LinkedIn profile right here. So in order to actually join LinkedIn Premium, super simple, you just need to come up to the very top here. So we've got the Me section here. So you see a picture of yourself or one of your businesses, and we'll click right there. So I can now come down to Account. And currently there's a 1 month of premium for £0 offer. So we're going to click on that one. You should see that offer as well, depending on where you are in the world. So we've got this hi, what's your primary goal thing right here. So I'm just going to go with personal goals here. You can select anything. It doesn't really matter. Let's click stay competitive, hire the right people maybe. We'll click there, finding top talent. So this is more a questionnaire for LinkedIn itself. I mean, as far as they might kind of suggest certain different things depending on the options you go for, but in general, I don't think it matters too much what you click there. So we've now got this window right here. So we say I'm in the UK, so it's got the price in pounds right here. So £109.99 crossed out. So that's roughly sort of $150 or something. It was previously £159 by the looks of it. So they're saying that there's a 31% saving right here, and I can do 1 month for £0. So let's click on this big redeem 1 month for £0 option, and then the next window should load, and we're in the secure checkout right here. So monthly, there's a free trial, and also for the annual, there's a free trial. So this is billed every 12 months. So this, after the free trial goes, this will be £1,300, or we could just do the monthly on a rolling basis. So I'm just going to click that just in case I forget to cancel the free trial, which I will be doing, and I advise you to do if you don't want to obviously continue paying for a year, for a month. Feel free to get a free trial, check out what LinkedIn has to offer. You might want to stick around. If not, that's absolutely fine by me. So I'm going to go with let's go with PayPal right here, just to make it super simple. So we click on the PayPal option. You've of course got Apple Pay right here, and the credit and debit card options as usual, as standard here. So I've clicked on PayPal. I'm going to click proceed to PayPal. Now I'm signing into PayPal here, so I'll be blanking out a few different things. So I've entered the password here. Then I've got my cards. So let's go with this American Express right here, and we can click OK there. There's a quick security check. So I'm getting the usual phone message here, just to OK this transaction. Okay, so we're paying $0 today, £0, and if we don't cancel within the 30 days, we'll have to pay the monthly charge or the yearly charge, depending on which one you went for. So security check, looks like it's playing up here. Let's see what's going on with this. Okay, so I've just kind of restarted the page, and it looks like that has gone through. So yes, we have okayed the transaction with PayPal. We've got monthly. Now we just click try now for £0. So processing a request. Please do not refresh the page. There we go. Your order was successful. We're setting up your account now. So let's go to Recruiter Lite. And just like that, guys, we have premium on LinkedIn. So if you followed through with these instructions, you can just click continue to these, and you can start checking out all of the new features that you have. I won't go through them in this video. That will be a separate video. It's recommending right here that I do two-step verification. Always advised to get 2FA on all of your important accounts, especially those that you pay for, or any kind of financial accounts, internet banking, and so on and so forth. But I'll leave that video here for now. That was a very short video on how to get LinkedIn Premium. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.